probably catch it. Throw it. Throw it. Oh! Go, go, go. He's going to get it. Oh! Almost, almost. Yeah. He's coming back in. I don't think he thinks mine. Oh, you gotta get it. Crack it, crack it, crack it. Oh, crack it a little bit. Make it smaller. You gotta let it go. Whoa, whoa. Oh! That was cool. Yeah, he thinks I don't want him to think the GoPro's food. He's like trying to checking it out, you know? You might grab my GoPro, man.
Is there any whales? Did you guys see any whales up here?
Any whales yet, huh? There he is again. Tell him to crack it though. Whoa, whoa. No, no, he's not eating it though.
You're smashing my foot.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Look at it, man. It can fly real nice. Look at that. Like a jet.
Huh?
He's not eating it though.
He's gonna crack it. He has to crack it in pieces. I want to stand down here.
Look at how beautiful that thing flies though. That's amazing. Watch it, watch. It's coming in low. Coming in low, coming in low. Almost. Yeah, he got it. Nice, nice.
Let's go.
Nice.
Let's
nice.
go. The new Odell Beckham. Woo!
That's a little too close for comfort. That's impressive.
It looks like an eagle.
That is impressive. Oh boy, here we go. Whoa! Don't come too close. Oh man. Woo!
They can eat everything, man.
Good job, man. Hey, good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. Good job. Oh, he's looking for some fish, huh?